Anne-Sophie. I'm a student ambassador of Arnhem Studiestad, and I'm here with
Nina Kreisler, I'm the forester of Arnhem. We're standing here on the Koningsheide.
and together with some students we want to make the heide clear again, and we have to cut down some trees to protect the, how's the heide called?
Heather?
I think.
Heather?
Yeah.
So, okay.
This is heather? Yeah. Okay. What is the problem with heather? Why do we do this?
Why do we do this? We do this because if we don't do anything, the heather will grow full of trees. So there comes no sun to the heather.
Yeah.
I don't think.
And it will become a big forest.
Yeah.
And we also want to protect the heather. So
What will the day look like?
They will look like. I think it will be a very fun day with a lot of conversations with each other and a lot of work. We're gonna saw like these little trees, and then it's gonna be a lot of teamwork.
Okay. Yeah. And will there be food and drinks?
Yes, we will arrange the food and the drinks for lunch, so you can have a really nice day.
Will she be there?
She will be there.
Okay.
that's definitely a reason to come.
How many people do you expect?
A lot of you, all of you. I hope.
We hope to get a lot as possible.
Okay. Thank you very much. How do we reach this place?
With a bike, I think that's the easiest.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can go by car and park in the parking lot, but then you have to walk for like, I think 5 minutes.
Okay. Sounds good. Okay.
Lekker.
Bye bye.
Doei.
See you later. Yeah. What is the date?
5 November, the 5th of November,
What is the time?
at 10 o'clock here. And so we can sleep a bit on our Saturday. And then we leave when we're done, I think. So come
Yeah.
with many and we're done very quick.
Okay. Great.
It's supposed
Thank
to be
you.
a very fun day, so be there.